A big change that happened in the course of the Industrial Revolution is urbanization. It happened in England as well as many other countries. Urbanization changed material production, wealth, labor patterns, and population distribution. Although many countryside areas remained farming communities during this time, the lives of people and cities changed drastically. New industrial labor opportunities caused a population shift from the countryside to the cities. A new factory work led to a need for a strict system of factory discipline. Through urbanization, child labor became much more dangerous and unsafe. The growth of population led to horrible living conditions in the city. Poor children often worked horrible jobs. They worked long hours in factories under horrible conditions with hardly any breaks. Children as young as 4 would be working. They would work all sorts of jobs, including factory jobs, selling goods on the street, such as newspapers, in the coal mines, and also as chimney sweeps. Children were preferred to adults because they were small and could fit easily between machines and into small spaces to do work. As you can see in this picture, this boy is having to haul and transport heavy coal between small pathways and tunnels, not even being able to stand up. The work conditions were strenuous and exhausting. England is a country of many great inventions. James Watt was just one of these great British inventors. He was a big part of the Industrial Revolution, and back then he brought the technology a step further to the future we have today. James Watt is proudly the founder of the steam engine, which changed many lives back in these days. Both coal and iron were crucial during the Industrial Revolution. Coal was used to power steam engines and also to make iron. The steam engine made jobs easier, but also replaced many jobs. This wonderful machine was used in so many places in the industrial world. It was used in the coal mines to help miners, and it was used in factories to make mass production possible. The steam engine powered Britain to prominence as the first industrial country in the world. The invention of the steam engine was crucial to the industrialization of modern civilization. I think it's clear to see all of these changes in our society stem from the Industrial Revolution. Humanity has changed so much, and with that our knowledge of so many things. In this case, it is technology and industrial work. The Industrial Revolution has changed my life as well. Because of the Industrial Revolution, I can use all of these electronic devices that have become a big part of my life today. Getting from point A to point B is much easier now with cars being invented, and our living conditions have improved. The Industrial Revolution has been a game changer all around.